Hey everyone, it's Jack Fuki. We're back for another episode of my 1/500 scale airliner reviews. Today we're going to be looking at the Herpa American Airlines Boeing 737-823. Herpa catalog number is 505765. This was released in 2002. It has been discontinued. They did make 10,000 units, and this one comes in the Astrojet colors. It is painted, not chrome like in the photo on the box, and it also has cockpit window frames and is a new generation. The registration is N951AA and is powered by two CFM56-7B27 engines. And there's a close-up of the box. You can see how it's supposed to be chrome. But as you'll see, they just painted it. Never really understood that because they did actually have the technology to just make it chrome instead of painting it. And it's kind of strange because up there it says new generation. It's got a sticker on it, and a sticker that says made in China. I found that to be kind of peculiar. But it doesn't say anywhere that it is limited to 10,000. There wasn't a numbered edition, but there is the plane. It's done up in the pre-1968 colors, and it's one of those that, yeah, it could have been chromed out. It would have probably looked great. Actually, I do have one that is chrome, but you know, you can look on there. I mean, on this high definition display on my camera, it really looks good. This is Astrojet there on the front. I think this is around the time that Herpa really started stepping up their game because of Starjets. There's the engine, which let's pick that up there and take a look. And it's kind of hard to tell with that glare on there. Oh yeah, there it is. I see the fan blades. I don't know about anybody else, but I don't like when they leave those either the natural color or they paint the turbines. They paint them silver or something like that. I don't like that. I mean, you know, you can't tell if it does have the detail in there. They should be painting them black or like a real dark gray like the real ones. So, I don't know. Go figure. Tail is plastic. These are plastic too, the stabilizers. But nonetheless, I mean, it still looks pretty good. Got the registration number on the bottom. And there's the right side. Flip it over. Now, whoever owned this one before me, they actually glued the wheel back on, so it's alright. But pretty nice. Especially for a model from 2002. I mean, it's got real good detail. Oh, and did we look at the don't often forget to do that in my videos. The cargo door. Cargo door. Alright, now we're done. Oh, and there is the American flag down there on the tail. So that'll do it. That's the review of my review of the Herpa American Airlines 737-823 in the retro colors. And just don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. and throw a like in there, and I'll see you in the next episode. Okay? Take care, everyone.